How to use single take mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's go. So open your camera and tap on the More tab at the bottom right. Then select single take. Now you can switch to pre-record mode as well. Pre-record means the camera will film 5 seconds of content before you tap on the shutter button. Or you can disable this option. Now tap on the shutter button and try to film objects from the different angles. By default it takes 15 seconds, but you can stop it anytime just by tapping on stop. And then you can go to your gallery. Let's close the camera, go to the gallery, tap on recent, and here is your single take content. It automatically creates, tap on arrow, it automatically creates few types of content: fast forward clip, cropped shot, filter picture, one more filter picture, original video, and sometimes it creates boomerang video. It depends on mood, on its mood, I don't know. So that's it. You can delete them by one or all together. Tap on the delete, select this to remove everything, and deselect this to remove just only one picture. And that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Be awesome. Bye guys.